Welcome back, my dear students. Today I am going to present a new reagent, that is Grignard reagent. As you know, Grignard reagent is highly useful organic reagent for which Grignard received Nobel Prize in 1912. It was a milestone in the field of organic chemistry, and today I am going to discuss about the Grignard reagent. And this reagent is highly useful for your competitive exams, especially for IIT as well as your NEET exam, that is medical entrance test. So what is Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide, or it is aryl magnesium halide. So when Grignard reagent reacts with active hydrogen containing compound, it forms alkane. Irrespective of the nature of active hydrogen compound like water, ammonia, amine, carboxylic acid, phenol. So what is active hydrogen containing compound? Active hydrogen containing compounds are those compounds when it reacts with base metal like sodium and it evolves hydrogen gas. So those compounds are known as active hydrogen containing compounds. So when Grignard reagent reacts with any of these active hydrogen containing compound, it forms alkane. So active hydrogen containing compound that provides hydrogen atom and alkyl group is taken from the Grignard reagent and it forms alkane. For example, if you take RMgX, R can be any alkyl group or aryl group, and when it reacts with water, ammonia, alcohol, carboxylic acid, primary amine, secondary amine or ethyne, at least one active hydrogen should be present, so it forms alkane, RH. So for example, if I take C2H5 Mg Br plus H2O, so it forms C2H6. If you take C3H7 Mg I plus C2H5OH, so C2H5OH, that is active hydrogen containing compound, and that will give you the hydrogen atom, and alkyl group is always taken from the Grignard reagent and we will get alkane. So in the entire 11th and 12th class organic chemistry, if you take chapter wise like hydrocarbons, especially in case of alkyne or alcohol, phenol or carboxylic acid or primary secondary amines or carboxylic acid, so all those compounds, when it reacts with active hydrogen containing compound with Grignard reagent, it forms alkane. So now I think you can understand the importance of this particular lecture, why it is so important for competitive exams, because we are going to cover the entire organic chemistry in one place, like not the chapter wise you have to learn so many things. So first one, the Grignard reagent, when it reacts with active hydrogen containing compound, it forms alkane. Second use of the Grignard reagent is when it reacts with carbonyl group containing compound, it forms addition product and finally it forms alcohol. So when formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, it gives primary alcohol. When all other aldehyde except formaldehyde, it forms secondary alcohol with Grignard reagent, and ketone forms tertiary alcohol with Grignard reagent. Why I am not using the pen and pencil, or why I am not using whiteboard or blackboard? Because I want you to understand. You can easily memorize, you can easily go through the reaction, you can write it without the help of pen and pencil. So what you do, when you feel something to write, just pause the video, go back to the concept, write the reaction and then proceed, and take any previous year's exam questions and then try to solve it. Take the model test, take your if you take the your any book like any practice set of any institute, you can practice number of problems with the help of this concept. So the second one is, that is role of Grignard reagent with carbonyl group containing compound. So only formaldehyde with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives primary alcohol. All other aldehyde other than formaldehyde gives secondary alcohol, and ketone gives tertiary alcohol. Then the third use of Grignard reagent is when it reacts with acid halide or ester or amide or cyanide with Grignard reagent, it forms ketone. For example, if you take acid halide RCOX plus R-MgX. So I am going to distinguish between two alkyl group. One is from acid halide and one is from Grignard reagent. So the final product is ketone, R C double bond O R dash. So you can remember like this, R dash COX plus RMgX. So first you will get the addition product, that is R dash COMgX, and one valency is satisfied with halogen and another valency is satisfied with alkyl group, and when it undergoes hydrolysis you will get ketone. Like that, when ester, one is acid halide, second one is your acid amide, third one is cyanide, and you can also use acid anhydride. So like if you take these things, so you can react with this Grignard reagent. So first one you take acid halide, second one you take ester, third one you take acid amide, and fourth one you take alkyl cyanide with Grignard reagent, and on hydrolysis it gives final product ketone. So you have to only remember the final product, that is ketone. And the fourth one, first one we have discussed the Grignard reagent with active hydrogen containing compound. Second one we have discussed with the Grignard reagent with carbonyl group containing compound. Third one we have discussed about the acid derivatives like acid halide, acid amide, ester and cyanide. So these also gives final product as ketone. Fourth one, it is also used in preparation of phenol and alcohol. Like if you take AR, that is aryl group MgX plus O2, so it forms ArO bond MgX, and then again it reacts with ARMgX, so it forms ArOMgX. On hydrolysis it gives ArOH, that is phenol or any aryl group containing compound. Second, when ARMgX, that is aryl magnesium halide, reacts with B, that is boron O methyl whole thrice, because the valency of boron is 3, followed by hydrolysis, so you will get ArOH, that is aryl group containing OH group. Then third, if you take CS3 Mgi plus O2, so it forms CS3O bond O Mgi, and again another molecule of CS3 Mgi that gives CS3O Mgi, which on hydrolysis of course it gives CS3OH. And the last one is when Grignard reagent reacts with CO2, that is carbon dioxide, so it forms first addition product which on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. And also when ethylene oxide reacts with Grignard reagent, so it forms RCS2 OMgX, which on hydrolysis gives RCS2 so it forms alcohol. So today in this particular lecture I am not going to make this video longer, because you can understand specifically the role of Grignard reagent, because it is so useful for your competitive exam, and simply you can focus the concept of Grignard reagent and you can form number of organic compounds. You can understand the importance of Grignard reagent, because the Nobel Prize in 1912 it was shared by two different chemists from the France, and the major contribution was provided by Victor Grignard for the manufacturing of Grignard reagent, and this Grignard reagent is so useful that we can prepare a large number of organic compounds. So be focused on the application of Grignard reagent for your competitive exams, and in the next video we will consider very important reagent like oxidizing agent and reducing agent like KMnO4, or reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride or NaBH4. So in the next video I will give you more and more information for your competitive exams, especially for IT and your NEET exam, for medical exam. Thanks, take care.